What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make $100 per day in passive income, even for beginners. Yes, so if you've never made passive income, you've never made your first dollar online, I'm going to walk you through this kind of step by step, show you how you can start making money right now. So before I jump into the video, all I ask is if you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe if you want more free videos on how to make money online. So you're here because you want to make a passive income online, right? Well, if you're not here because of that exact reason, then you're probably watching the wrong video. But what I want to explain to you is my number one, okay, when I say number one, it's not the one that produces the most income, but my number one business, the one that I absolutely love, is creating online courses. And this is courses on, it could be on making money online, it could be on finances and parenting and fitness and I have a bunch of different ones, okay? And I'm not going to get into the different courses I have, okay? Obviously it doesn't matter to you, but what you need to understand is courses have been around for years. One of the first things I learned to do was affiliate marketing, and I didn't know who to really learn it from, and I took a bunch of these little courses here and there, and none were like spectacular, but every single one gave me some new insight, taught me something a little bit different, okay? And you've probably done the exact same thing. Now, you maybe have never thought about creating your own course, and I completely understand that. But there's people out there that they think about this all the time. Should I create a course? Should I not? How could I monetize my message and teach people how to do this and that? And YouTube doesn't pay the most. Affiliate marketing does well, but what if you're not getting any sales? How can you really control the amount of money you make? And that is where, that's where Udemy comes in. Now, I'm not going to tell you to go and create a course and stick it on Udemy. You can, however, that's not what I'm going to teach you here, okay? What I'm going to teach you here is how you can actually put together any course. You may have an idea for some course, and I can get you to roll with that. I can show you how to do that. Okay, let me show you something else really quick. So this right here, it's a $7. It's a course of mine. Okay, it's a $7 course called Passive Income for Entrepreneurs. You can see it right here, $7. I'll put a link to it down below. But what I teach you inside this, you can see here what's included. I pretty much teach you how to create a course, put it on which platform, whether it's on Udemy or Gumroad, or you can do it through ClickFunnels or through Teachable. There's a lot of options, all right? Teach you how to do that, give you ideas for what you could actually create, how much you can charge for that stuff, and how to go about getting traffic to really promote it and make that money. But whether you want the course or not, I'll put it down in the description box below, but that's the last time I mention it. Let me show you something right here, all right? Let's say I want to talk about parenting. Let's do like positive parenting. Alright, let's click on that. Let's say I want to do a video on positive parenting. Look at this one right here. Positive parenting, dealing with power struggles, 34 lectures, an hour and a half long, currently selling for $17.99, normally $29.99, 111 ratings. So they're making some money off it, right? You may not be a parent, but this exact strategy I'm going to show you right now is one of the things that I teach a lot of people how to do, and it's very simple. So let's say you have an idea and say, oh, I could teach about positive parenting, but what do I really talk about? How should I format this online course? Here's what you do. Come over here to Udemy, and this is the whole reason I'm even here. Come over here to udemy.com and find the one you like, okay? So let's say I click on this one. If you scroll down, you see curriculum for this course. Now, these are the previews, but getting their needs met. Okay, so you can see right here, getting their needs met. Okay, and you can see a little bit about it. And then picking up your toys. You read a little bit about it. Okay, an 8-minute long video. What do your kids need? 2 questions. All right, this should give you an idea. General tips for dealing with all power struggles. Go to your room. Okay, in this lecture, parents, you get the idea. But all you have to do is come over here to udemy.com and see what are other people talking about, because they have the curriculum right here. Okay, I'm not saying copy it. What I'm saying is take what they have and make it better. because what's going to happen is you're going to be able to make some money, and it's going to happen pretty quick. So let's do a quick little recap, and then we're going to move on. So I talked to you about how you're going to make that money, how you make $100 per day in a passive income. You have to do that work at some point. Okay, there's no 100% passive income. You have to either do the work or put up the money. Chances are you're going to rather put up the work or do the work than put up the money. So you do the work. Okay, you create an online course, some digital asset, something that you can sell over and over again, and that actually helps people. So we talked about that. I showed you my course, Passive Income for Entrepreneurs. If you need additional help to get to that level, okay, go check it out. I'll put a link to that down in the description box below. Third thing we talked about is how do you know what to actually put inside the course? What information do people want? And that's where you can go over udemy.com and figure out, okay, this person's talking about this exact thing. So if I talk about that stuff plus add in some more modules, add in a little bit more content, stuff that they can even learn more from, instead of having to buy 2 different courses, they buy one, mine, and they're going to get both of that information for one low price. Okay, so talk about that. Now, how do you actually get a course to sell? That's the thing that most people struggle with. And so if you are brand new, do I recommend you go to udemy.com? I do. I'm not saying you have to. I'm saying if you don't want to do paid advertising, you don't want to do a bunch of online promotions, don't want to do stuff in Facebook groups and over on Instagram and create your own website and go that route, you can still make money. But I'd recommend you go to udemy.com. And here is my strategy for you. So you see here that I typed in parenting. Okay? I typed in and then it gives a list of all this stuff, right? So what you need to do, so if I just clicked on parenting, let me show you really quick. There is 176 results for parenting. Parenting teenagers. Let's see how many results there are for that. 183 for parenting teenagers. All right. Now, what you want to do here is you do not want to compete with people that have just extremely high ratings, okay, and a lot of sales. So, parenting teenagers. This one right here has 23 ratings. It's a 5-star. Okay, this one has 9 ratings. This one has neuroscience for parents. Not really let's see. Parenting skills to raise responsible, mature children. Okay, let's see. Parenting toddlers. There we go. Let's put parenting toddlers. 187 results. And let's see. Feeding your little one, nutrition for infants and toddlers. That's not really parenting. Parenting skills. Co-parenting into the future. It says hot and new. Okay. 5 lectures, 6 hours. Okay. Expert level. Okay. $54.99. Chances are they're promoting this somewhere else. Okay. There's a lot of things you can do here. Okay. But what you need to do, let's see, how to cook. Let's see, how to cook couscous. Let's see if that's something that is on here. Okay. Moroccan recipes, couscous, how to cook traditional couscous. Okay. Has no ratings. There's one right here, has 4 ratings. This would be one that it would probably be fairly easy to get into. Once you get 1 sale, once you get 1 rating, it should be fairly simple. So one of the things you can do, one of the things I recommend, and now it's a little bit of one of the gray areas. Okay. One thing I recommend is go on to, once you have your course, let's say you're going to talk about how to cook couscous. One of the things I'd recommend you do is you take your link and you'll get a link and you'll figure it out. Okay. If you use udemy.com. Let's say I want to sell this one. So you'll take your link, okay, and you'll go and promote it to people. Now, who do you promote it to? And this is key. So over on Udemy, and on some other websites as well, and if you take the Passive Income for Entrepreneurs course, you're going to see where I show you that there's different platforms you can put your course on. But one of the things you want to do, one of the benefits of Udemy is they have that search function. So all you have to do Once you create your course, you go into your settings, go into your account, and you create a new coupon code, and then you add in the price. What this allows you to do is you offer your course at a discount to people all over the world. Okay? But the benefit to doing this is that now, instead of going over to a Facebook group and being like, hey, I have this course, it's $15.99, go and buy it, here's my link. You can be like, go to a cooking Facebook page, a cooking group, and you interact with people, and obviously if they ask you how to cook couscous, or if anybody's interested, I have a new course, I would love it if somebody takes it. I'm gonna give you a discount code, okay? And you can maybe give it to them for free, maybe you give it to them for 50% off, or whatever it is. You give them that discount code, tell them when you are done with it, let me know what you think, and please give me a review over on Udemy. And by doing this, what happens is, and so look right here, let me show you really quick. So what's going to happen is, if you get a 5-star review, okay, and you get a 5-star review and people love it, and and someone's looking for how to cook couscous, and they see it, okay, there it is. But what's going to happen is your course on how to cook couscous is going to jump above a lot of these other ones, simply because you have one sale, you have one review, you have a 5-star review, you have some type of sales, okay? You have some type of income coming in, okay? So all this stuff plays a part into how you're ranked right here on Udemy. And that's important. One thing I've noticed with people that create online courses, and it doesn't matter if it's on Udemy or some other site or their own website, whatever, okay? One of the things I've noticed is that people will create a course, and that will be it. That will be their course. Their course will be on how to, run a marathon, okay? And they'll create that course on how to run a marathon. That's it. And they get a bunch of sales, and then it kind of just tapers off. What I've noticed is a lot of the people that create courses never create a second course. Never create a course on, okay, you want to learn how to run a marathon. But then what about, how to train for a triathlon? How to, get fit for your first marathon? How to run the Boston Marathon? Okay? You kind of expand. And by doing that, people that are just really interested in running that Boston Marathon, they may have not purchased that first one, but now you have one on the Boston Marathon. This one's different. This is in Boston. This is one I'm actually going to. And that's what I want to train for. So I don't want this course on how to run a marathon because that's too generic. I want one on how to run the Boston Marathon. Okay? So by creating that additional course, that second, third, fourth course, whatever it is, that's going to help you increase your sales. It's also going to help you reach a wider target market, and it's going to help you earn a bigger passive income. So in this video, my whole goal was to just get you guys to understand the idea of creating a course for a passive income. Okay, this is something that it doesn't pay you month after month. It's they buy it one time, they get lifetime access. But what a course does is you promote it in whatever way. Okay, you do all the work and you do some SEO stuff over on Udemy. You promote it on Facebook, you promote it on YouTube, you create a completely new website for it. Maybe you do paid advertising. There's so many options out there for you. Okay, watch some other videos if you want to learn more about all those other things. But the key is you create it one time. Now you have that asset, that thing that's going to keep paying you every single day, every single month. $100 a day, you think, oh, that's a huge number. That's only $3,000 a month. It's not that much. But you have to start somewhere, all right? So if you have any questions on how to create a passive income using online courses, let me know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up button. Go check out the Passive Income for Entrepreneurs course. Again, it is $7, but it's going to show you, kind of walk you through the steps on how to get started, how to create that course, where to put that course, how to get traffic, and how to make that money. All right? So again, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. Make sure you click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys on the next one.